see the captions, please. Turn off. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I fixed the waist gap over my jeans. I saw a video from Mimi G Style. She showed us how she did hers, and I wanted to try to do the same with mine. I just got these jeans from American Eagle and the waist part was a little bit too big, so I wanted to fix that, and I wanted to show you guys how I did it. And yeah. Y'all, I haven't took this long shot in a while, and I started to forget how to work it because I was trying to put in this little extender piece and the block piece would not come out. But yeah, I was struggling with that a little bit. Okay, I have a lot of different thread and I want to match up and see which one matched the best, and I found the perfect one. Y'all, don't ask me why I put the thread on the bobbin holder right there. I haven't took this sewing out in a long time and I was struggling so bad. But yeah, I finally got it right. Okay guys, so first thing, I got some elastic that I made sure fit the width of my waistband, and then I cut out a piece that was long enough for me to pull through. Okay y'all, so if y'all seen Mimi G Style video, she basically marked the areas that she was going to put her elastic at. So that's what I just did here, and then afterwards I'm gonna cut a little hole in those spots and so I can pull the elastic through. Okay, y'all, so now I'm using my seam ripper to cut the little hole so I can pull my elastic through. Okay, y'all, so those holes I made was not wide enough, but I figured that out while I was trying to pull this elastic through. And I did not have a bobby pin, so I did not have a paper clip, so I had to use a bobby pin to pull my elastic through. Okay, so pulling that elastic through was so hard. I had to keep taking it back out and then trying to pull it back through again, and I finally got it. I think it was hard because these jeans were made a little bit weird, and so I was going through all types of strings and all that type of stuff, but I finally got it through. And now I'm about to sew one end of elastic, then pull it tight enough to where it fits, and then sew the other side. Okay, y'all, so this is the first mark that I'm going to be sewing, and then afterwards I'm going to pull the elastic to where it fits my waist. Okay, y'all, so after I sewed both ends of the elastic, I'm now closing the holes that I use my seam ripper with, and then I'm going to iron it, and then I'm going to be done.